Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not full screen. So guys, we will talk about the full screen feature of the Google Chrome. So to do this and access this feature, you could just simply select the three dots on the top right corner. And now right away, you should be able to see here zoom. So from here, you can zoom in and out. And on the right side over here, you will have this box icon. So guys, this is the full screen feature of the Chrome. As you can see, it is on a full screen. And when I press and hold escape, it will exit out the full screen. Or what you could try to do if it doesn't exit, you could just simply press on your keyboard F11 and it will exit out the full screen. Now, if you don't have this feature on your Chrome, what you could try to do is you could just simply select the three dots over here and you will have an option over here, help, go over here, and then you will have here about Google Chrome. So go ahead and click on this one over here and make sure you are running the latest version of the Chrome. And now from here, you should be able to use that feature. Or if you still don't have that feature, you just simply uninstall and install the Google Chrome again, and that might fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.